welcome back to Abby's Cooking Corner. Today I'm making confetti blondies and I'm getting joined with my brother Cooper.
Hi.
Next we have a stick and a half of butter we're going to put in. And my dad blew this up in the microwave. Oh my gosh, this is heavy.
Be careful.
Ugh. Next, we're going to mix in a cup and a half of brown sugar. Cooper? Thank you. Next is 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Cooper?
I don't know how much vanilla they have to give.
Cooper, pour it over the bowl. Good. Next, mix in 2 eggs. Ah! Cooper, you do one, I do one. Ah! Careful. And pull.
Oh,
Cooper!
I got the shell.
Cooper!
I got it. There.
Okay, get it in here, this side. Next is flour, baking powder, and salt. Flour, please. Thank you. Then I'm gonna fold it.
And then I put it in the next one.
Fold it. I'm just gonna mix. Okay, Cooper. Okay, good, Cooper. Have a spot right there. Good. This is going to be like dough, I think. I don't know, like that.
Whoa.
Now is a half cup of rainbow sprinkles. Rainbow. Now I'm just going to fold them in. If you put in an electric whisk, it will disintegrate and just break. So I'm mixing it by hand. Now is to spray the square baking pan with whatever this is.
Spray silverants.
Silverants. Am I spraying it the wrong way? Oh wait.
Make sure you don't put too much or it's going to stick.
My dad says. We're back. And I'm just going to scoop it into the square pan. This is so hard to come off. Come on.
Scrape it at the end like this and then spread it out. Oh, some landed on me.
Come on.
I'll show you how to do it, Abby.
Come on.
I'm trying to put it down to help you.
Cooper Michael.
I'm trying to put it down.
You want to be the Santa hold it in front of everybody.
Seems out of the pan.
No more.
I'm trying to help. Abby, you have enough right now to mix in. Bake at 350 degrees to 30 to 35 minutes.
Good. Time to make the frosting. So we have 1 stick of butter. Next is 2.5 cups of powdered sugar. That means 5 of these. Okay, I don't think they'll go for 5. Just a reminder, you can pause it if I'm not live. I made this 3 days ago. Next is 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm scared about this. I think I'm not going to do it right. There, got it. Finally! 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix it all with the electric mixer. Okay, this is flying everywhere. I think we need a cold butter. frosting so far. Next, just 1/4 cup of milk, and we'll mix it together. Hope it's beautiful. There we go. I wish I could have used my normal cookie mixer, but it's actually called Next is to fold in some sprinkles by something. I'm just putting all of it because I used a lot. Okay, this is my brother. He joined me back from the first. Whatever.
Blah. That looks nice and rainbowy. Should we take a sample of it?
Alright. Ooh, look at it.
Oh.
Yeah, that is so good.
That sounds good.
Don't ask your parents to do this. Just do it yourself and watch my video. Now it's time to frost the Blondies. Okay, this is not working out. I'm just, Cooper, stop. I'm just putting these on my spatulas. Cooper, you can grab a spatula and help me. Because this is hard. Oh my gosh, mother. Come on. Scoop it, put it in. Now you. Okay. Why ask my brother? Cooper, I said just put them in plots. You don't have to spread it yet.
Whoa. I'm trying to make it all the way.
There we go.
All the rest of this is for us.
Yes.
Leftovers.
There we go, Cooper. Now it's my turn to spread. So you can put extra sprinkles for decoration on top, but I like mine knows how it is. And Cooper, thank you for joining me today.
You were welcome.
Go back and hide. Now stay tuned for more episodes in Abby's Cooking Corner. Bye.